Pool Game last weekend. I've never seen anything like it. It's dated 1973. It's made by Aurora. I think Aurora Model Company. The thing is pretty big. Yeah, 1973 Aurora. The pendulum shooter is portable, so you're not tied to the table. Move it to make shots that were impossible before. So that's pretty cool. We're going to check it out and see if it's complete and how it works. Right on, looks complete. We'll see if we're as good of a shark as he is. Looks like all the balls are maybe there. I'm going to rack them up and give her a shot. Nice. Nice. Let's try this again. I think I can rack them tight. So after inspection, it looks like there's a ball missing. I've got kind of a loose rack going on. I'm just going to use this hammer thing as the pendulum shooter as the cue ball. Let's see how this thing works. Ooh, no, not that way. How far up can we pull the pendulum? Nope. I guess it has to. Oh yeah. Oh, I more of a want a power shot. Come on. Yay! Well, this is the Pendulum Pool from 1973 by Aurora. These guys look like they had a pretty good time back in the 70s playing Pendulum Pool. Fun for the whole family.